Hello, world, and good morning. So we're gonna go to the front desk right now. It's about seven something, 7:16 in the a.m. I'm here in Panglao, Bohol, Philippines, and we're gonna go to the front desk to see if we could get the situation situated. My booking, that is. But show you the steps. I don't want to trip. But before I proceed, I want to show y'all the view of the hotel that I'm staying at. So that's my place right here. But I'm gonna change the room into a king size bed maybe tonight. Okay. So and that's on the other side. So yeah, let's go to the front desk, see if they could take care of it. And I get free breakfast too. So Roman Empire got a Roman Empire theme. Wow, so the pool extends throughout the room. Hi, good morning. Nag-book ako yesterday through Expedia. Can you check my reservation? Huh? You got me? You found me? Okay. Okay. So can I switch room? Okay. So I just stay there. That's what you're saying? Okay. No problem. Okay. No problem. Can I have a voucher for breakfast? What time do you leave the front desk? Okay. Thank you very much. No, I did not. Any drink? Basic. Basic drinks. Thank you very much. Okay, I hope because I have three small beds. Thank you. All right, so they didn't have a bed, king size bed, but who cares? I'm here. It ain't like I'm gonna stay there all day. I got a free drink and free breakfast. So good morning. Uh, son, pick up your breakfast here.
Yeah, you can choose from this. Here is our choices. We have longanisa, no spring roll. It
Longanisa.
comes with egg already.
Oh, okay. Longanisa is what, pork?
Pork,
Pork and longanisa chicken.
chicken,
Okay.
Chicken.
May I have, please?
Sure.
Filipino Swiss sausage.
Cheers.
Ay,
Ay, pila na?
sir. There are three coupons
Oh, okay.
for only you.
That's for the another day, sir.
This for
Di ni.
breakfast.
Yeah, this is for breakfast.
Okay.
27.
Okay.
26. This is for tomorrow, sir.
Oh, okay.
And then you choose either with rice or bread, sir.
Rice, please.
Okay. Thank you. How about the drinks, rather?
Coffee, please.
Hot coffee, iced coffee.
Hot coffee. No, make it iced coffee. It's hot.
Okay.
We're in the Philippines.
So you want it just a black coffee or you want
With
milk?
cream and sugar,
Sugar.
please.
Okay.
Okay. This I give to you.
Yeah. This
Okay.
is a juice, sir. Calamansi juice.
Okay, give me that.
Okay. Thank you. We will just
Salamat.
serve it in
Oh,
your
sige.
table, sir.
Salamat. All right, so we might as well get some breakfast. Why not? Why not? All right, yes, sir. Yeah. So let me put my breakfast coupon in my pocket. So it's unfortunate I couldn't get a room with a king size bed, but I'm not mad. I'm here. I made it. I really appreciate it, and I'm happy all this opportunities that I'm able to do, and I'm happy that I'm able to visit other cities as well. And look at my view. I mean, oh shit! Look at my view. Who's complaining? Who's complaining? I'm not complaining. We here. You know what I mean? So I can't complain. I'm about to eat breakfast. Life is good. I really appreciate it. To the higher power, to the man above, you know, I appreciate y'all. All right, so my food just came in, and this is what we have. We have coffee, calamansi juice, and some rice with chicken longanisa with one egg. It looks good. So I'm not gonna let y'all watch me eat this. I'm gonna eat in peace. So stay tuned. All right, so I just finished my breakfast. That's the outcome. Coffee was good, food was good. I just didn't want to eat a lot of rice. And the juice is too sweet. They put so much sugar in that. I gotta watch my sugar level. But anyway, I'm going back to my room because I have about 15 minutes to get ready. Oh, that's cool. They got a swing here. Got a swing right there. Got my man Caesar. I think this is Caesar. All right. We already have people swimming. My God, right there. Beautiful day. It's a bit humid, so I'm gonna wear my DOSOS bucket hat. I take a quick shower because they're gonna pick me up to do the tour. It says Vini Vidi VC. Wait to watch tower. Okay. All right. It's nice and cool in here. Lay my joint right here. Boom. I guess this is for if you want your room to be made up and you want your stuff not to be disturbed, you know. So I'm gonna take a quick shower and put the covers on, you know. Put all the lights on. Got about 10 minutes. Take a shower. So that was it. That's the morning. That's the breakfast. Take a shower. Brush my teeth. And all that good stuff. What happened? All the See, it's a bit dark in this room. There you go. I just didn't want to, because, anyway, I'm going to go brush my teeth, take a shower, and I will see ya in a few. All right? I'll see ya in a few. Peace.